My name is Juan Espinal. I'm a 5th grade teacher at Conewana Elementary School. I'm honored and humbled to be here at my first ever NEA Representative Assembly.
Every year, we have one of the biggest democratic sessions of the National Education Association. Over 8,000 teachers from across the country get together to basically decide what the soul of the NEA will be. What direction do we want to take? What are the things that we find are important?
It can be really overwhelming at the beginning. No matter how prepared you think you are, that you hope you are still, it's an incredible learning curve.
Like at home, we're not aware of a lot of the stuff that goes on in the United States that I think we should be aware of, so we know how to support. Also, the other purpose is putting Hawaii on the map, because like Asian Pacific Islanders or Native Hawaiians are like not really represented here, and there are some issues that pertain to us, and I think that it's important for us to speak out and to be a voice for our Native peoples.
It's nice to hear what everybody has to say. There's a lot of good variety on the issues. And there's sometimes you kind of go into something expecting one thing, you know, you have your biases, and then you hear what everybody has to say, and it's really nice to hear how people are kind of adjusting to new information. It's really inspiring.
The meat of the Representative Assembly are the new business items, the NBIs. You really do have to focus in and pay attention on the information presented. You need to focus in on the specific words, the nuances of what's presented, and then make critical decisions.
We have a sign for the delegation to remind them that during the morning meetings, we've either decided to support an NBI or to vote no on an issue or an item that's coming up. A delegate is open to vote however they choose at any point in time, and we encourage to have respectful debate and to be open to opinions and ideas and share information. But these are our recommendations as either a state caucus or as leadership.
I realize that we matter. What we do matters. What each of us does matters. Like what every teacher, what every student, what every individual, what every administrator does matters. And even though we're so far away, we are connected. We are one Ohana in a way. And whether or not we agree or disagree, we are a part of it. And you cannot just forget about that.